Hello, everyone.
Good afternoon. It's nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon here.
It's
And
cloudy again. No
yes,
surprise, it's Ireland.
but we are grateful. We are alive.
It was
So,
sunnier earlier.
yeah, that is Ireland's weather. It's always changing for a day, within a day. So, to those who are, to our new followers and all, thank you for
Watching.
watching us. Hope you all gain some knowledge on our post and go lives. And to those who don't know me yet, my name is Roselle and I'm live on my business page. And this is my son.
My name is Kirsten.
And it's day
51
51
of
of
the
the
90-day
90-day
challenge.
challenge.
49 more days. Let's
Yes, 41 more
No,
days.
39.
Oh, 30,
Whoa.
39 more
39.
days, right.
39.
So near one more month.
39. Let's go.
Yes, and we are really grateful for this Go Live challenge because
Just 5 weeks left.
yeah, we are very willing and passionate sharing this life-changing opportunity to everyone around the world. So I hope guys you can check this out. Maybe it's the one that you've been looking for if you're looking for a second income stream. This is our pet Reese, and
He's turning 10, a decade old,
yes,
baby.
next week.
Right? Decade?
Yes.
Oh no,
No, no, no. 9 years
9.
old next week.
Almost.
So yes, and it's about sharing our journey of personal development. So our journey as an online business owner has been an enriching experience filled with various stages of personal development. So number one is our adaptability. We learn to adapt because the internet is like a fast-moving river. It's always changing course. So as an online business owner, we had to learn to go with the flow. For example, when social media exploded, I didn't stick to old school marketing methods. So instead, I quickly adapted my strategies to make the most of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, or TikTok. So that meant learning how to create engaging content, interact with your customers, and run targeted ads.
Number 2, we needed communication skills.
Yes.
Online words are your main tool for connecting with customers. So I worked hard on communicating clearly and effectively, whether I'm doing posts or making ads. I had to research what would attract people, make sure my messages were understood and easy to follow.
Yes, that's true. So yeah, so that's two of our personal development. We learn to adapt and we learn to have a good communication skills. Number three is being resilient. So running any businesses has its ups and downs, but the only online world can be especially unpredictable. Sometimes things go wrong. Like example, when I'm running my own ad, so sometimes it will be restricted, or if I encounter like customers that's quite difficult to handle, so that's one more factor that you need to look at, and you don't need to be affected by anything like restricted ads or difficult in leads or inquiries
Or hateful
or
comments.
hateful comments.
There's a lot of them.
Yes, because it's normal. So I just need to focus on finding solutions and learning from the experience. That's why I need to be resilient and think positive, and don't be affected by those things that happen to me.
Number 4, continuous learning. The online business landscape is always evolving, so there's always something new to learn, whether it's staying on top of social media trends or exploring emerging technologies like AI and blockchain. Well, we don't use that, but we use AI.
Yes, and even do you know those design like the Canva or editing a video?
All those
editing software, yes.
Yeah. I'm constantly seeking out opportunities and knowledge to grow my skills, you know. This might, we have online
we attend
videos
online
webinars,
yes, so that's true.
That's how I do it.
So, and also my journey is about our journey is about self-reflection, because personal growth is just as important as business growth. That's why I make time for self-reflection. I think about my strengths and my weaknesses, my goals and aspirations, and what I can do to become a better entrepreneur and person. Yeah. I think, yeah, so self-reflection. And besides, if the going gets tough, I always go back to my why. Why I started my online business. And it's because for my family, to have more time with them, to retire early, to do the things I love, to help other people do the same. So those are the 5 things that help us in our personal development: being adaptable, having good communication skills, being resilient,
continuous learning,
yes, and self-reflection. So guys, our journey as an online business owner is all about being adaptable, communicating effectively, staying resilient, constantly learning and investing in our own personal growth and development. So personal development is really important for all of us, because as what I've said I think yesterday, that education is a lifelong process of journey. So we need to always able or willing to learn something new every day in order for us to grow, to be a better version of ourselves, guys. So I guess that's everything for our journey, for our personal development. And for all those who are watching us right now, kindly comment below where you are watching from, and maybe you can share us some of your journey of your personal development.
It helps inspire other people.
Yes, definitely. So thank you for watching, and have a lovely Tuesday. And thank you again. Bye.